what it does is what is the quality of the water? Water is unstoppable. So these Scorpion people have the ability to move through any of the difficulties. Scorpio person has the ability to heal themselves and become an unstoppable force like a water. Water element also represents understanding the inner feelings. And hidden and inner feelings is nothing but the truth. That's why the hidden things are divine. So are the evil things. So depending upon the quality of the Mars and the quality of the Scorpio